Alright, so got myself some trusty screwdrivers. Let's see which one works out the best. At the very least, I want to see if we can get this battery out. So that's a very, very strange choice by the company to not have clips for this kind of thing and relying on screwdrivers, because especially these kinds of Phillips screws tend to get stripped pretty easily. And so, okay, here it is. The battery is one of those funny looking, what is it? 1200 nickel MAH, nickel metal hydride maybe? I don't know. Alright, so, but it can fit a much larger battery there, so maybe they did that on purpose so that if you wanted to, you could upgrade it. As far as removing the shell, it looks like there's a lot of screws, like 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6. It could be like 6 or more. So yeah, I'll actually go ahead and unscrew all that in a different video. Alright, thanks for watching.